Hi, good evening, everybody. Today is the 10th of April. Yes, Easter is already nearly gone. If you blink your eyes, Easter is gone again. Um, we got very, very exciting news tonight. And somewhat straightforward, I'm going to talk a little bit. Then we've got also Roy on the call tonight again. And Roy is also going to show us what other futures there is where you can do some marketing yourself and not even where you can do marketing, but where you can get information from. That's the most important. People in this crypto world, you need to do your own due diligence. But sometimes you cannot just click on Google and say this or that. There's too much naysayers. You must know where to ask and where to look for what. All right, but first I want to share my screen quickly. You can see the screen. Admit. Say yes or no.
Yes, yes.
What is the most important that you see on
Yes.
the screen?
What?
Talk, people. We can talk a bit. What's the most important that you see on the screen?
The announcement and updates.
The new SBS sliding blockchain strategy is now available for all subscription levels, including free and free trials. You can now select a strategy when creating a bot. Even if you're in the past, and I'm just going to show you, and straightforward, I'm going to go to the cost of that. Then I'm going to come back. In the past, you see, this is a subscription fees. Now, remember, people, for a starter pack, you pay $100, you get 5 bots. That bot can run anything from $300 to $30,000 a bot. It's your own money, it's your own, you can decide what you want to do. But in the past, it was only this VIP people from the beginning of the year that was on the SBS strategy. Now, all of us, every single one of you, without paying a single cent extra, is on this SBS strategy. You can choose now. Now, as I say before, I'm just going to go back to this is the gallery of EasyBot. People, they're very transparent. You can log, you do not have to be a member. You can log into this and you guys can see the gallery. I'm going to put it in a chat also for those people that doesn't maybe have it. There it is. Now, in the strategy, you can have 5-minute overviews. There's a video library. People, this company is so transparent. Everything is here. Last week, I also shared some stuff for you on this. Today, I'm just going to already chosen ones, the SBS performance. People, now remember, now for the existing people that's on the EasyBot, this live performance charts is currently from the 1st of January 2023, and every time they reach 100% this portfolio, they start a new one with all the pairs again. Now, if you look here at the past, there was the 2022 strategy, and it took so many days to reach 100. Then they stop this, and then they move over again. So at the moment, this pairs that you see here is on the existing EasyBot strategy. If you just slide around this, this is what you can see, how the bots and the pairs is changing from day one. And as it goes up, it moves more and more. So in order for you guys to see which is the best pairs on the SBS strategy, you need to go and click on this performance or the performance analyze. I've already open it up here. And here you will see there's quite some difference in the way the SBS strategy is running. Now, Marie, I'm talking to you. So, the other people.
Yeah.
Go now, just go and chop and change your existing bots. People remember, most of your bots at the moment, the market was bottom, it dropped 40%. So lots of your bots already bought covers. You guys know the big covers. I've explained it in my previous videos. For those that haven't seen it, you just go and check on my YouTube. The bot can buy and buy and buy and buy up to 32 covers on the old system. I think the new one is 93 covers. That it buys little bit sells, buy, sells, buy, sells. Now, on this strategy, you can see there's the cake, Algoa. I'm going to make it even a bit bigger for you guys to see. This is the current, how it has been running already. And cake, Algoa, ADA, Cash, CRV, Litecoin, EOS is at the moment the better performers in the strategy. What I suggest, some of you has got like 2 Solana bots that you bought. Take one Solana and change it, but in the meantime, do not just stop all your bots now and go over to this SPS strategy. And Roy can just confirm to me, as far as I know, it was going to run automatically change over from the mass to the EasyBot. New bots will be already on a SPS strategy, but for the old ones, there's phases. That was announced in the groups. I cannot just open it now quickly for you guys to see. But this is exciting. Very, I just want to show you guys what they've done. They've done for a whole year. There was a difference between the SPS strategy and the mass. Now we know already that the performances on the EasyBot is something out of this world. It's quiet. You don't have to worry about it. Just look at the SPS strategies. What they did a back test from 1st of January with the SPS and the mass. And there's a 24% increase, né, on the SPS strategy. Now, people, just imagine, for those of you who's already in the bots, what is your performance going to be in 6 months' time? For those people that is not on the bot yet, and you're sitting and you're sitting and you're waiting. Delise, I'm talking to you. Né? Sabina, I'm talking to you. Oh, sorry, I think Sabina, you are on already. Lelu, I'm eyeing you. The rand dollar a year ago was under 18 rand. Now it was what? 19 rand 28 somewhere? People, just if you had your funds in USD for a South African, you would already made a gain. Imagine on withdrawing. I think it dropped now this afternoon below 19 rand again. But still, we're going to see the 20 rand. If this way is we're currently running on the finances, you will see 20 rand. So get up and start doing something. Don't just look and wait and wait and wait. If you wait, you'll never wake up. All right. What we say else? Okay, and then I've actually shown you the cake, the differences here on the strategies. I've already started. I just put up a new bot and I used the cake for it. The cake USDT on my strategy. All right. Roy, now it is your turn. I'm going to make you share your screen. Is there anything else that somebody wants to ask me regarding this before I give to Roy? You can unmute and talk, people, whatever you want to do.
So what I'd like to say is that the sliding blockchain strategy is something that's been built up over 3 years. And when they launched it this year, it really, the amount of momentum that took place and the amount of people getting in because of it, it has been incredible because the strategy just works. I mean, the original strategy works too. Obviously, the EasyBot strategy on its own works on very well, but the sliding blockchain strategy is just another level that they've created, and it really is worth chatting to people about and getting them in.
Yeah. All right. Roy, I'm going to let you share your screen, and then you can also do some.
Okay, what I'm going to do is, so everyone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into X and I'm going to show you what a X Spaces looks like. And in the chat, I've already put the breakdown of what X Spaces is. There's a Grok share that I've put in the space that you can take a look at. And what that does is it teaches you how to get onto X Spaces. And it's called Spaces Farming. Spaces Farming means that you can go sit on a space, and if there's 300 to 400 people on that space, just by being in the space and people seeing you in that space, they'll be able to click on your profile and then go to it. I'll send my link of my profile so that you can go and take a look at it and have a look at the highlights tabs on my profile, because the highlights tab show exactly what EasyBot does. And I think it's quite important for everyone to be able to do that so that there can be duplication, and duplication is the key when building a network marketing business.
Roger,
Just quickly, I'm going to put it in now. Okay, there it is. So what I suggest is go look at the. Okay, what I suggest is looking at the highlights tabs in the profile, and the highlights tab, basically I've highlighted all the most important things.
Roy, you're not sharing it.
I did share it, yeah.
No, it's not showing a bus.
Bucks, I'm going to WhatsApp it to you. Okay, I'm going to share my screen, Bucks. Can I do that?
Yes, share your screen.
Okay.
I just got it WhatsApp, but I'm going to see if you can share your screen. There it is.
Okay. So now I'm in X. There's my profile. So
Yeah.
in my profile over here, you can see there's the highlights tab over there, and then go into it and go through all of those. There you can see, Bucks, I spoke about your last one. And then when you go into spaces, what you want to do is, oops, sorry, quickly get into here. You want to go into spaces in the menu, and then at the top over here, you click search and search for crypto. And then what it'll do is it'll bring up a whole bunch of spaces that are talking about crypto. And there's more spaces talking about crypto than anything else. I'm not sure why it's not coming up. Okay, but there's live ones. So there's 18 people listening, 8 people listening, 3 people listening, 47. So that you want to get into those ones. 47, 41, 16. You want to get to the big ones, 74. And what you do is you just sit, here's the big one. So let's join that one. So I'm just joining as a listener.
We have up here,
but then there's my profile over there. You can see it in the actual space.
Okay,
and
we
now
did get
there
Token Jungle
are
on
how
here.
many people are in that space?
Token
There's
Jungle, thank you for
148
your
people on that
patience.
space.
Welcome to
So
the
there's a
speaker
good
panel,
chance
and
that they're
just
gonna,
maybe in 5 minutes
like
or
and
so,
follow your
please
profile, and
tell
then
us
they're gonna
about
look at your
what
profile.
Token
But
Jungle
make
is
sure that your
building a little bit by
profile is
themselves.
properly set up.
Hey guys, Token Jungle is kind of
Okay. People, what we will do is to especially for us guys, Roy, we've got also in Stefan's group, I've got an EasyBot group there. Then I'll actually add you there to that group. Then you can actually how to set up your X and what to look for. because most of these people, we're just using Grok at the moment. We just started using Grok for the past few weeks, 2, 3, 4
Yeah.
weeks. And the setup, but we're still not sure on how to set up our profiles. So maybe we must make like just a screenshot of 3 or 4 pages of pictures, how to set up your X and your profile correctly. Because that's
Okay,
most important.
I put in a Grok share in the chat that people can look at, and the Grok share shows you exactly what the Spaces is and how to use it to grow your business.
Okay, people, you need to copy that and save it. I'm gonna actually can
Open it and when the link is on top, just do it on the, just save it onto the,
Telegram.
yeah, no, you can click on the link, and when the page open,
Yeah,
just save the link there on top.
how do I grow my audience? Okay, got it. I'll just post it at the moment in the Telegram group, and then later on I will explain what I've been doing. There it is actually. People have just put it in our Telegram group as well, and I will also put it in our WhatsApp group. Done.
So I wanted to say to everyone too that something that's quite important is that the Founders Club is there's still about 100. I think there's about 200 and something odd places left for Founders Club. So that means that you can earn 5% of all the EasyBot users worldwide. And I mean if you think of the extent of that when they get to say 500,000 people, can you imagine what the earnings would be on that? And that's really what I suggest everyone to look at. I'll put I don't have a link to that, but it's in the app. If you go into the app, it teaches you what Founders Club is, and I really suggest everyone looking at that.
Okay, most important people, we first need to just get you on the EasyBot. There's some of you guys is registered, some of you is users on the EasyBot. Marie, you already got some people. Sabina hasn't. Stefan is going to join soon. Estelle Smith, she's already on the bot. Cecile is on the bot. Oh, we've got a few users here on the group at the moment. That is existing members. And people, I just had a case of one person who had just had a big operation. And he needed urgently money. It was immediately available for him to withdraw. That's the beauty, because the EasyBot, you do not have to apply for anybody. You can withdraw immediately from your Qcoin or your Binance wallet. If there's an emergent case, like I've explained in my past videos, last year I had a heart attack in the ICU room. I needed to withdraw some funds and I did it there. This is the beauty of the EasyBot. It's not linked it's IP linked to your system. And also remember, for those people that join under me, I do give a 50% discount on the entry fees of at $100, which you can use, as I explained before, for for a whole year. You can run up to 5 bots. And I think I still got 2 months left for this, where I can show everybody, I can help you guys set up, registering your bot, and let it go. The only rule is you need to register your bot. You need to fund your Qcoin or wallet, Binance wallet, or your CoinDesk, or what's the other one? Now I forgot. Kraken. Even for those people overseas, you can fund your account, and you've got 45 days free of running. And when you run, then I will put in that $50 for you guys, and you can pay your affiliate fee. And still, you do not have to wait the whole 45 days. You can pay it up front. It's not going to stop you're still going to get your free trial period. All right. Is there anything else that anybody want to say or
Bucks, I
ask?
just put all the exchanges in the start trading link that's in the chat now, so everyone can go into that and take a look. There's 6 exchanges that we work with at the moment.
Yeah. Thank you. I just need to, unfortunately, I'm just pasting it in the group. No, it's not that link. Is it that last one,
Mark,
Troy?
got his hand up.
Mark? Yes, you can ask. Unmute yourself.
Wonderful. I have a friend of mine on here, and could you just really quickly explain the main way that EasyBot works and how it trades and how we make money with it?
All right. Just okay. I'm just going to quickly log into hold on a sec. Now, can I just be, Roy, can you just make me host quickly?
Yeah, sorry. Bucks, maybe you should send that video that I just sent to you to Mark, and that's the best video to send to
Yes,
people.
I can do it, Mark. Or I'll just play a little bit of it quickly. I've got some other
Okay.
videos.
Okay, you host.
Okay, I'm just gonna. People, it's just 4 minutes video. This 4 minutes.
Yeah, that video would be. If
Will
you
it
send me
be?
that video, I can get that out to them.
Yeah. This is basically in a nutshell. This is actually conclude the whole night. It's an excellent idea. You guys can see the screen of the Earth, no?
Bucks, send both of those videos because it's quite important for people to see the affiliate side of it too. Because once they understand that, then they can really grow it.
Yes. I will put it in the chat group as well. I've seen it already.
Okay.
People, here it goes. Can you guys see it? Yeah, you can.
Yes, we can.
Welcome to the future of trading. Today, we present EasyBot, the automated crypto trading software that makes trading easy. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. Are you ready to increase your crypto and Bitcoin holdings? Join a company with a proven track record of success. So what exactly is EasyBot? It's algorithmic intelligence that automates crypto trading, safe, secure, and consistent. Enjoy the benefits of professional trading without the headaches because all bots are not created equal. With the EasyBot default strategy, you don't have to be an expert. Whether you're just starting out or have experience, you can quickly set up and close profitable trades without the hassle of adjusting complex parameters. You can see the parameters of the default strategy when selecting it on the bot settings page, and you can also watch the video that explains it. Want more control? Design your own winning formula. EasyBot's customizable settings give you full control over your trading strategy, whether you're day trading, scalping, or experimenting. EasyBot is built for profitable trades only. It's intelligently programmed to respond to any market condition and designed to never close a trade at a loss with a historical success rate of over 99%, keeping you as safe as possible from major downturns. One of the most important features is 100% of your trading funds remain in your exchange account. With EasyBot, you don't have to relinquish your funds. Trading is done via a secure API connection within your trusted exchange. Now let's discover the power of compound interest. EasyBot's automatic compounding feature lets your earnings from previous trades fuel future ones, creating a cycle of growth. As Benjamin Franklin said, money makes money, and the money that money makes money. EasyBot can sustain trading even through a 90% market drop, allowing you to keep trading when others would be stuck. Since May 19th, 2022, our live account has demonstrated incredible results, achieving its first major milestone. After 848 days, EasyBot achieved a remarkable 100.4% gain, generating over $19,000 in profit. Shortly thereafter, EasyBot hit two more significant milestones: 10 million trades closed and $1 billion in total trade volume. An important component is consistent contributions. Regularly adding a fixed amount, even in small increments, leverages the power of compounding, where earnings generate their own earnings. EasyBot now features 29 stablecoin trading pairs and 32 Bitcoin growth pairs. If you believe in Bitcoin's long-term value, these are the easiest ways to grow your holdings. Now let's recap. Your trading funds remain in your exchange account. They never go to EasyBot. Which exchanges is EasyBot compatible with? EasyBot supports several major exchanges, including Binance, BitGet, Bybit, Coinbase, Kraken, and KuCoin. What are software service fees? These fees are deducted from your EasyBot wallet each time a trade closes. Simply preload your wallet to ensure seamless trading. Need assistance? EasyBot makes it easy with live Zoom calls, email support, FAQs, and a global community. Our live calls not only provide support, but also create opportunities for users to share, learn, and earn together. EasyBot is reshaping the future of crypto auto trading with 24/7 stress-free trading, consistent profitable returns, profit during up and down markets, auto compound your earnings, and the freedom to withdraw your earnings anytime. No trading experience needed. Now, getting started is easy. Connect with the person who shared this video. They'll help you register, verify, and set up your trading account. Let's embark on this journey together. And don't forget to ask about our optional referral rewards program, EasyBot Crypto Made Easy.
People already withdrawing over $1,000 a month just on the affiliate. But just to go quickly, for the beginners or the new people that started, I just want to highlight it again. You start with your own bank account. You transfer money to a crypto wallet. In your crypto wallet, some people overseas do it via credit card. We do it in South Africa. I've only got a South African banks now. Here, there's more actually. So you transfer your funds from your bank fiat into your crypto wallet, and there you just convert it to USDT, USDC, or if you want to grow your Bitcoin, you transfer it to a Bitcoin. All right? Then you register in your EasyBot, and this is where I come and I help you. Your EasyBot is only linked with an AI link to your wallet. And the wallet again gives out a secret code which is linked to your EasyBot. So it connects, it talks to each other like that. So all that the bot does, it says buy the coin. You choose what coin you want to use, and that is already available, as I explained just before in the first time, in the early hours of this video, or of this presentation. It actually, they show you already which is the best performing bots running. So we link on that bot. That is now, for example, Solana USDT or Cake USDT. Remember, the EasyBot, there's 29 pairs. It's not like other bots where it runs the whole day up and down and look for the best pair, the best performing pair of the day. You choose one pair and that is your bot, and it runs for the whole time. The algorithm is built up on that pair, and it starts buying, selling, buying, selling. And that's what makes EasyBot also so safe. It only buys, it doesn't long and short. I've explained also that in other videos for you guys. So it only buys. If the market falls, it buys and buys and buys. And when the market turns around, it starts selling and selling and selling again. And then it will buy, sell automatically on that pair. So yes, at the moment, I've seen on the SBS strategy that they say when you set it up, it's a minimum of $500 for that. But I've linked my account now on a $300 on the SBS pair. All right. So it's just at the moment, remember, the bot also does not take all your money at once. it only takes a percentage. Now, on an EasyBot strategy, it takes something of 3.4% per trade of your volume of your quoted currency, which is like a quote currency is USDT or Bitcoin. It only takes a small percent. That is why it can buy lots multiple times. All right. Mark, if there's more detail, then I'll maybe have a one-to-one Zoom with you guys. If that needs to be done. Okay. But I hope this will answer your questions. Okay, Mark is not answering me. Say anything else, people? Anybody else? All right. Then I'm going to stop the recording.